Today, we're going to talk about hosting. Hello my friends, my name is Dragonheart of the Prince of Wales and welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to day 21 of my guide, 30 days to become a better live streamer. In this video, we're going to be talking about the opportunities of hosting and how you can use that as a nice tool to grow and build and strengthen a community. But before we do that, I'd like to let you all know that I am a Twitch streamer myself. Link to my channel is in the description below should you wish to go and check me out. But anyway, let's head over to Twitch and have a look at hosting. Okay, so we're on the Twitch page right now. This is my actual Twitch page. And you can see on the left hand side who is live. At the moment we've got a streamer called Narcos who is live. He's a great American streamer that I occasionally watch. And you can click on his channel and it'll bring up his live stream, which will be by here. And also you've got the Twitch adverts and everything, and you've got his chat just coming down the right hand side by here. And what you can actually host him. There's a few ways you can host a channel. So what you do, I've got a stream by here. I already host him because I have him auto host, which I'll show you in a sec. But basically, in your actual channel chat room by here, this is on my chat room on my channel by here. You put a slash in, and it brings up a list of things you can do: ban, unban, clear, followers, unhost, for example. So I can click unhost by here, stop hosting the channel, and it'll have slash unhost and then Narcos. So I'll type in Narcos name as it is spelt. I'll pop that in and that will unhost me from his channel. So the other thing you can do as well, if you go onto your stream manager, which is by here, you got all these little purple boxes on desktop. Click on the plus by here. It brings up a list of things that you can actually do, and hosting is actually on here. Click on add, start another channel, or say another channel when you're offline. Click on that. That's now been added, and that will actually appear on here where it has host a channel. And I can click on that and I can actually choose from whoever's live. So I can take Narcos name out here, for example, channels you follow, and I can click on him and then I can host, and I can do it that way as well. So there's a few ways of doing it. You can either use this text chat and do it that way, or you can go in for Stream Manager and do it that way as well. It's a quite cool thing to do, and that means that they will appear on your home page when you're actually streaming. So that's all you'll see. Someone comes to your channel and visits you, they will see one of your friends or one of your streamers that you watch, etc., instead of you. But if they've come to you, chances are they might, if they enjoy that other person, follow that other person. It's a good way to cross-pollinate viewership and give yourself a little bit of a boost, and other channels give you a little bit of a boost as well. So if you're quite savvy in how you use the host feature, you might be able to gain a couple of additional followers and get extra eyes on you. But it's a nice little way to just appreciate another streamer and use the tool to do that. So by here now, on the preferences and the channel page, you have auto hosting. So if you want to automatically host a channel, you can. So for example, I have, I think, 10 channels I auto host. I add them to it, and then whenever I'm offline and they're online, their channel will be hosted. If you're someone who is a partnered streamer, who's gone beyond affiliate and is now partnered, you will have the opportunity to create a stream team. So you can include team channels in your host list as well if you do have that. You host in priority, so host channels randomly from the list, or host channels by the order in which they appear in the list. So if you want a particular person in your list to always be priority, you can put them first. And then if you click on the host list by here, you can add and manage your hosted channels. So these are all mine by here. So you can see Narcos is here. He's the only person in my streamer list that is currently live. That's why his stream appeared at the start of the video. I got all my other friends by here, and I can just search for somebody. So for example, my friend Lord Rex is always going to come back to streaming soon, so I can just search for him, Lord_Rex. So there he is, and I can add him, and he's now added to that list. So when he does come back to streaming, he'll now be on a list. So if he's live and the other people aren't live, or he could be live with 2 or 3 others, but it could be his turn, so automatically his channel will get hosted on mine, and it works like that. It's quite a cool feature, and if you're quite savvy with it, you can use it to perhaps get yourself a couple of extra viewers, and also use it as a good community tool to appreciate other streamers, then possibly appreciate you, and a good way to socialize with other people. Anyway guys, I've been Dragonheart. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.